Hey, so welcome back guys, and here you are back in another video in my channel Pragyan Techno Gaming. And today I am going to tell you how to run WhatsApp or how to use WhatsApp on your PC without any app player. You are listening right, without any app player, just like BlueStacks, KO player and all. For this, you have to first of all open your browser. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you will, and please watch this video till the end. And if you like the video, please press the like button down below and comment down whatever you find wrong in this video, or if it is good, please comment down for additional support to my channel. So first of all, to do this, you require two things. First, your Android phone in which your WhatsApp account is running, and second is the web browser or PC, as I said. First of all, here I will say you to I will give you the link in the description. In this case guys, I am using the UC browser, and if you wait for some time, then on UC browser you will find this WhatsApp web here. I know you have must seen this. So guys, and now click here. I will provide the link in the description. And now when this website, till the website's load, now I will give you an overlay here, right at the right side, around here. Oh sorry, around here you will get the overlay. So you will get the mobile overlay right here, and after that you have to open your Android phone. Guys, just wait, I have to configure something. So hey, so guys, now I have configured it, and now the overlay will be present in 3 2 1 and go. Now the overlay is right here, as I said. So first of all, on your Android device, come to these three dots right here, which is marked with white. Click at this, and now click here WhatsApp web. As here you can see that on the PC you are getting a QR code. Now scan this QR code with your Android phone. Now when it will be scanned, yes, now here you can see that the login has been granted. The login has been granted, and now you can do anything here. So I will take, for instance, I am having many chats here. Let's take his one, and here you can type a message also and send just like hello, and send. And as you see that it is now also sent in your mobile. You will also find that it is sent in your mobile. So this is pretty cool, huh? So that overlay will be disabled now. So actually this is very good for us, as if our Android phone is a bit laggy, and then if any other problems are there, so you can be very easily using the WhatsApp here. You can even share, I think that if you want to share your media, I think drag and drop is fine. Let's go to desktop. I must be having an image here, maybe. Yes. um yes, here I can copy, and indeed I can send him. And here you can see that we can also send a media by drag and drop, very easy. And here is also the attachment button. Here the attachment button. Here, from here you can also send contact, a document, a camera, photo, or anything. So guys, actually this is a very cool feature that WhatsApp has already launched, and I know many of you must not be knowing this cool feature. So thank you for watching this, guys, and I hope so you like this video. If you liked it, smash down the like button below, and if you like the video, please also comment down in the comment section below. And I also want you to please guys, support me on social media sites, Google Plus and Facebook, and maybe I will be providing my Twitter link very soon. So guys, we will be meeting very soon with another video. So till the time, bye guys.